take, if that piece is falling off, but it's holding on, you can always just take it and clamp the pieces that's broken together. Grind around it, bond it. Once you seal it,
Yeah.
then you, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Assalamu alaikum. Peace and blessings. Live at Amin's place.
Live. Assalamu alaikum. Yeah, I mean, trying to get it together, trying to do something. Brother bring me out of retirement. Gotta get it done though. We're gonna try to get this fiberglass fixed right here. Get that damage, all that, see all that broken out. We're gonna try to replace all of that and get the brother back to rolling.
Yeah, man. Inshallah.
You know, gonna cost him about $2,000, but it's all good.
Sheesh.
In our neighborhood, that's how you do rich folks.
Hey, man.
But we're gonna get that cleaned up. See what we can do.
So right now we sanding it.
So what we're doing is grinding out. We're grinding out the old fiberglass so we can have so the new fiberglass has something to stick to.
Okay.
So when y'all open out the way. And because it's fiberglass, you want to hold on to as much of it as you can rather than tearing this off. You'll leave it there so for form, you know?
Okay.
So we'll get back to you. Okay, see that's finer, right? Now what happened, we need this finery because what happened is we're gonna make some resin.
Some resin.
Yeah, we're gonna add that to it. Now I gotta see if I got a brush. I might not need a brush, but
So this the resin and the liquid hardener.
I had something in there. Okay. My bad. So what you do is you mix the hardener. You can't put a whole but you mix the hardener in there because it hardens pretty quickly. You know, you don't want to have it too much anyway. Let me harden go. I'm gonna put a little bit more because all it takes really is drops of this. That's like way more than I need. Because we out here in this, I really wanted to harden fast, you know. But you want to make sure it's mixed really well. That's how you do a crack. You would take it and you would mix all the resin up into the crack, and you would lay it right in there. You know. Then you layer the top. Let me get this over here. I might have put too much resin in here to keep it going, but I ain't got no gloves on. My bad. Okay. Yeah, right there. I'm getting down in there. I want to get down in there.
top of it, huh?
Yeah, fill in that fiberglass I just put down there.
Yeah, thick
We
one,
wetting that. Yeah, we wetting that. So we got it more fiberglass. Yeah. To build up what we're working on down there. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So this ain't just dry fiberglass no more.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah, that's really taking shape.
Yeah. See our circle?
Yeah.
Just the underneath stuff, so I ain't really got to bother that. But I just wanted to see if we had our, see our,
Yeah, we got the mold.
yeah. And see, the thing about it, you're going to have stuff like this here, you know? It's not the perfection of it, you know? We can feel all of that, but I got to let it harden so I can grind out some stuff, get our shape right, and pretty much we'll be in there.
And like swung well, huh? So right now, what we did was we added a thicker cloth, added the molding to commit, which allowed the molding to come around. And so we reinforced that with some tape to kind of hold it,
Right.
to hold that lip.
Hold the lip. Yeah, to hold the lip. Yeah, what we did was put a thicker piece of fiberglass in, and we molded it so that, and we poured resin on that fiberglass so to set up and give us our lip around the edge, because we have a lip right here, a little contour lip. So we want to be able to reinforce that lip. So when we come back at it, we're going to just sand everything out, grind everything, make it smooth, and fill in all the imperfections, and bring our lip back. And we have our shape back.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
That's what's up. Put another layer on it.
Yeah, you take whatever it takes, you know what I'm saying, to get it
Smooth
out.
out.
Yeah, nice and, some structure.